Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by switching on flight mode to disable cellular radios. This satisfies regulations and prevents roaming charges. Once flight mode is active, turn Wi-Fi back on from settings or the quick panel. You're reactivating only the data radio the airline allows. Make sure the flight offers onboard Wi-Fi or allows personal hotspots. Otherwise, turning Wi-Fi on won't help. Also, verify battery saver is off so the radio can connect reliably. Once you've done that, scan for the aircraft SSID and prepare to connect. You should now pick the airline network SSID from the Wi-Fi list and wait for the captive portal to appear. If it doesn't, open a browser and try any non-HTTPS site to force the login page. Once the portal loads, follow the steps. Choose the free or paid plan, enter your details, and accept terms. During authentication, avoid VPNs or proxy settings because they block the portal. After successful sign-in, confirm you have internet access by loading a simple page or pinging a lightweight site. You're at the final step. Secure your session and manage usage. Once authenticated, enable a trusted VPN for sensitive traffic and stick to HTTPS sites. This protects data over shared in-flight networks. Keep large uploads or streaming to a minimum to avoid throttling. If connection fails, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on, reopen the portal, and clear the browser cache. If that doesn't work, restart your device. As a key troubleshooting tip, ask a flight attendant for the exact SSID and any known service outages before further steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.